Once I have generated my vine, I can move on to the branch without going, let's say, close the interface, because otherwise I lose it without resetting everything, because in this case I could also like to say lose it, so if I reset I'm going to lose my structure, so we don't reset, we don't close the interface, otherwise we delete our seed pos, then our seed from which the growth began, and we move inside of the branch sense left, then the branches and leaves once they are inside the branches of the leaves. I can tell you draw me or erase our branches, so draw mesh, we approach a moment when I tell him draw mesh, he creates a mesh. The mesh has a thickness, and this can be change in real time once it has been generated, for example 0.3 instead of 0.1 and some. What has a material id, so you are already creating a material id, can enter a modifier of mesh mood to smooth the branch, and then it becomes a little thinner. We can increase it even more, but be careful that it is, as you can see, quite sensitive. Okay, so it also depends on your distance, then many times it is also covered by the leaves, of course. That if he shows me a material, in this case we are in scanline mode, it means that here what did he do? Took that famous texture that we copied in a path valid and created a standard material. Here we are in scanline material. I have the possibility to create splines, draw spline, generate splines that are, let's say, in here. And from IV spline 1 here, they are also these splines, you know, that interpolation rendering. Enable in render, enable in viewport. The spline at its thickness could be, let's say, modified. In this case, being a spline, I can go directly to the vertices of my splines and go to modify the vertices of the splines. Then the game of creating the splines is this: if I don't need the spline, I tell him delete spline, he doesn't let me see what we see in color anymore. Under its parametric structure was generated previously. If I go inside the grows and I tell him, for example, still grows, he grows again. You see what he is doing. Of the other elements, does not make me see clearly now the new branches. I stop, I return. Here, I close and reopen, and he also updates the new branches for me. So this is the creation of the branch.